So to insert a point cloud, it's really simple. Just click here to attach the point cloud. And as you can see, I have many point clouds available in LAS formats right here. If you don't have this resource yet, you can download it for free just by going on Google and search for LIDAR HD. You should get this second website here. And if you go to that site, you'll see a tiled map of France. Then if you zoom in, like here on Paris for example, you'll start seeing several tiles appear. And when you select one, you'll get a free download link on the right to download that area as a point cloud. So that's exactly what I did on my end. As you can see, I downloaded several point cloud tiles for this exercise. So let's first insert just one. Let's choose for the example a point cloud tile to show you how the point cloud assistant works. So I click open, and the first time you insert a point cloud in EASYCAD, it shows this dialog. The first time you attach the point cloud, data conversion takes a long time. Do you want to finish the current command and perform the data conversion? So here I will respond yes. And then let's convert it. Alright, the point cloud conversion is in progress now, so it will take a few seconds. Once it's done, I will go back and open the same point cloud tile again. Alright, the point cloud data conversion was successful. And just before clicking OK, keep in mind the file name displayed in this dialog box. Okay, so now let's find this point cloud tile again, and you will see, if I attach this same point cloud tile again, this window appears called Attach the Point Cloud. I will let the settings as it is to specify my insertion point on screen, so I press OK. I pick a point, and here is my point cloud tile. For better visualization, I'll change the display here by going under Scan Color, and I will select Classification. There we go. So this is basically how you insert a point cloud tile in EasyCAD Pro using the Attach Point Cloud feature. So yeah, this feature is natively available in EasyCAD Pro. But now, let's say I want to insert a lot of tiles. You can imagine how tedious this process would become, because I'd have to convert each tile one by one. And that's where the Point Cloud Assistant stands out, because it has a new feature here called Convert Point Cloud. This feature lets us convert multiple point clouds at once. So I'll open a new file, I'll close this one, and I do Convert Point Cloud. So here on the left, I press this button to associate a list of point cloud files to convert. So let's find the folder with all the point clouds I have downloaded. I'll select them all, just like this, and click Open. Now I have my full list. For the output subdirectory, where the converted files go, we'll give them a folder. So we'll call it Tile Paris Converted. Alright, folder created, so let's select this folder. And for the project name, we'll call it Intramuros. And it's important to fill this field because the project name lets us insert all those point clouds at once. Here I'm not changing settings, so I click Next, then Convert. And now it started. As you can see, I have 50 files to convert, so I'll pause the video here and I see you right after. Alright, the data conversion was successful. Let's click OK. Now, like before, go to Attach Point Cloud. And here, if I try holding Control and selecting multiple tiles, it doesn't work, because that's not how you insert multiple point clouds at once. Instead, we need to look for an RCP file. So first of all, let's filter by file type here, and let's explore the folder we have created for this project. And here is our RCP file. P for project with the same name we set earlier. And now, by opening this file, it will load all the converted tiles at once in EasyCAD. So just like before, we get this window again to attach point cloud. So I click OK, I pick a point, and there we go. Can we take a second to realize I just inserted about more than 50 point cloud tiles in ZWCAD and there's no lag at all. And here I'll change the color to classification. So you can see the Eiffel Tower here and the entire Paris landscape. And you see I can zoom in and zoom out with no lag. Now I have over 50 point clouds on ZWCAD. And if I want to check all the tiles in this set, click here in Point Cloud Manager and you will have on the right all the tiles. Then I can, for example, deselect some of them. So I can manage my point clouds however I want. Alright, so that's it for the two features in the Attach section. Now we're just going to open a more standard point cloud for the next exercise, which will cover creating user coordinate systems as well as using the align function in the WCS. So see you in the next video.